Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, we've got another amazing show for you today. Research shows that institutions are using XRP in every continent on Earth. So, guys, let's get to it. So, guys, for those of us that have been in this XRP ecosystem, and I mean for any time at all, one thing that we know for certain is the amount of FUD that we get pummeled on us ad nauseum of how XRP is not being used by any institutions. Well, guys, someone has gone out there and actually dug up a heap of research to demonstrate not only is it being used by institutions, but on every continent on the planet. Now, just check this article out right over here. Research shows institutions using XRP in all 7 continents. Now, listen to this. Ripple has formed several partnerships globally that have seen either the XRP ledger or XRP utilized in every continent. This is according to recent extensive research from Tokenizer, an enterprise blockchain researcher. Now, despite Ripple's legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the company has expanded its partnerships and services worldwide with significant traction outside the United States. And just to name a few, there's SBI. Now, SBI, big in Japan. There's the Colombian Central Bank Digital Currency Project. Guys, we've got them all over, all around EU and UK payments, approved MPI license. And if I'm not mistaken, that's out of Singapore. These are some major agencies. Now, guys, listen to this here. Ripple formed multiple partnerships during the SEC lawsuit. Now, that was big tell for me. And I'll tell you why. Because most companies, that's all they would have focused on. But with Ripple, what did they do? Well, they fought the case, they won the case, spent $250 million doing that, but at the same time, boy, did they ever expand and grow this ecosystem and the utilization of XRP globally. While American companies remain hesitant and slow in widely adopting Ripple's technology due to regulatory concerns, not because the technology isn't any good, that's for sure. Other regions have embraced the tech, allowing Ripple to make significant strides globally. South America has seen notable developments with Ripple, particularly through the release of its central bank digital currency platform. For instance, the Bank of Colombia has tested its CBDC on Ripple's platform. And in fact, guys, you can go research this. Ripple is the #1 developer for central bank digital currencies for nation states. I mean, you are talking about an organization that is involved with laying down the framework in these countries for the evolution of money, and that is massive. Now, additionally, Ripple's partnership with the National Federation of Association of Central Bank Servers in Brazil aims to enhance the country's financial sector, with collaboration efforts focusing on payments, tokenization, and treasury management. What are we talking about here, guys? We're talking about tokenization of real world assets. Well, Brazil has gone out there just like the US in the sense that they are allowing tokenization, guys, of their treasury bills. And you can literally see UST bills are being tokenized on the XRP ledger. Now, Europe is another region where Ripple's influence has grown significantly. Ripple has collaborated with Clear Junction to facilitate cross-border payments between the European Union and the United Kingdom. This partnership, under the regulatory oversight of the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, sets Ripple up as a compliant and reliable partner in Europe. Furthermore, The Central Bank of Montenegro has chosen Ripple's CBDC platform for testing and deployment, while DZ Bank in Germany has integrated Ripple's acquired digital asset custody firm Mataco in its digital asset platform. Now, Ripple's presence in Asia is particularly strong thanks to its long standing partnership with SBI Holdings, which began in 2016. This collaboration has led to significant advancements, such as the use of XRP for cross border remittances. And get this, guys, across the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia. And we are talking about billions of dollars worth of XRP being utilized in these cross border remittances. These countries are among the fastest growing remittance markets globally. Additionally, Ripple has secured a major payments institutional license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. And I'll tell you what, Singapore is emerging as one of the biggest players in this entire fintech space, that is for sure, allowing it to expand its services in the region. Ripple's reach extends to the Middle East, where it has established a strong connections in Dubai. Ripple's partnership with the Dubai International Financial Center seeks to advance blockchain adoption in the United Arab Emirates. Moreover, Ripple has partnered with major banks in Egypt, such as the Commercial International Bank and the National Bank of Egypt, to enable blockchain based payments and non fungible tokens. And by the way, with Dubai, just recently, they passed legislation to allow XRP to be used as salary payments. That is massive. Don't miss it. Guys, if it can be used to pay salary, then it can be used. That salary can be used, right, to pay liabilities like mortgages, car loans, you name it, all their bills. It is something big. Now, Africa has also become a key area of focus for Ripple, particularly in the Pan-African payment space. Ripple's partnership with Onafrique, a leader in domestic digital payments, looks to enhance remittance capabilities across Africa, the Gulf nations, the UK, and, by the way, Australia. In Oceania, Ripple has seen notable progress in both the public and private sectors. The Republic of Palau has utilized Ripple's CBDC platform to test a stablecoin pegged, by the way, to the US dollar. Now, do you think that the Treasury allowed that to happen without being involved? Not in your life, guys. That is what's going down. Now, in Australia, Novati has launched a fiat-backed AUD stablecoin, get this, on the XRP ledger, strengthening Ripple's presence in the region. Additionally, Ripple has engaged in CBDC discussions with the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. Although these talks are still in the early stages, guys, we are seeing some major deals happen, and absolutely Ripple, the XRP ledger, and XRP are being utilized right across the wide world. Are we ever going to see some innovation starting to happen big time soon? I'll tell you what. Now, guys, some more research. Listen to this. New research shows XRP is poised for massive price rally. Listen to this one down here. Recent research from Japanese blockchain firm HashHub has drawn attention to XRP's potential for heightened market volatility in the final quarter of 2024. XRP community figure Erie, this is Crypto Erie, highlighted the report, suggesting this increased volatility could be a precursor to a significant price appreciation. Now, the HashHub research scrutinized XRP's price behavior over the past year and a half. It revealed a notable period of stability across 2023 and the first half of 2024. Violin plots, a statistical visual tool, demonstrated a consistent price floor around the 52-cent mark. Despite market fluctuations, XRP demonstrated resilience by maintaining prices above this benchmark. Guys, we were there to see it last time. I mean, you even think the SEC had just dropped their lawsuit on Ripple in December of 2020. Judy and I watched the price of it absolutely collapse down to 17.48 cents only 4 months later, a 100% return to $1.97. Now you think of that with all of that uncertainty that was on there with that initial lawsuit. And by the way, being delisted from every US exchange save Uphold, yet it stayed in the top 10 for market cap and absolutely 1,200%. That is massive considering the pressure that it was under. Now, in quarter three of 2023, XRP's average price was 57.4 with a median price of 52.1. Conversely, quarter four of 2023 witnessed a surge in average and median prices to 59.3 to 61.3 respectively, signaling a robust upward trend and heightened market volatility. Subsequently, get this, a period of market stabilization occurred in quarter one of 2024, with average and median prices stabilizing around that 57.7 and 57.5. However, a downward trajectory commenced in quarter two of 2024 as the average price declined to 52.3 and the median price to 51.8, indicating a loss of upward momentum. Now, listen to this because, guys, when we were back there and it was just tinkering along like this, just tinker, most people were capitulating. They had given up on it because it was taking its time. But when it shot off, bang, it was like a rocket ship blasting right through the atmosphere and the sonic boom it made in this space. Phenomenal, guys, phenomenal. Now, the research suggests a correlation between periods of increased XRP volatility and, by the way, subsequent price surges. Historical data indicates that when XRP experienced significant volatility spikes, it often preceded notable price rallies. Don't miss it. For instance, in December 2017 and in April 2021, and we were there for this one, substantial increases in XRP's 4-week volatility as measured by sentiment coincided with pronounced price uptrends. Furthermore, get this, XRP's weekly historical volatility indicator, which quantifies price fluctuations over time, supports this hypothesis. A low HV level has persisted for XRP, but historical data reveals that sharp increases in HV, which is a historical volatility, have consistently preceded substantial price gains. Based on these findings, the research posits that XRP could enter a period of increased volatility in quarter four of 2024, potentially leading to a significant price surge. While the current market conditions are neutral, as indicated by the Channel Crow Stop indicator, any substantial market movement could trigger a new trend aligned with the predicted volatility increase. The research underscores the importance of closely monitoring XRP's volatility metrics in the coming months. A surge in volatility could signal an impending price rally, offering a potential opportunity for investors, and in my estimation, one of the biggest opportunities we could potentially see and have seen in years. However, it's essential to approach any investment decision and conduct through due diligence cautiously. Absolutely 100%. Guys, like I always say, you get out there, research it for yourself, peel back this onion, see what's coming down the road. And if you do that, and at the end of the day, you say to yourself, yep, it's not for me, the risk is too high. Well, fine, you've done your due diligence, but I believe your eyes are going to be open big time, and you may very well see an opportunity that you have not seen literally probably in your lifetime. That's at least my belief. Now, guys, check out this article. XRP news today, how the altcoin has, by the way, beaten Bitcoin and Ethereum of late. Now listen to this. Ripple settlement with the SEC leads to notable changes in XRP's price action, signaling a shift in its performance. And there they got XRP leaves BTC and ETH behind. Well, guys, check this out. The SEC's settlement of Ripple's legal case following Judge Annalisa Torres' decision requiring a $125 million penalty has significantly impacted XRP. This resolution has transformed XRP into a key player in global payments, with the United Arab Emirates and India agreeing. Now, guys, I don't know. This one right here, I don't know if that's actually true, but we do know that it has really boosted XRP's utilization in global payments. Now, these guys are saying that the UAE and India agreeing to use it for oil transactions, but I'm going to tell you right now, that has not been confirmed. And so we're just going to leave that out there. Now, you can go out and research it for yourself, but definitely for sure, we have seen big time uptick in global payments for certain. Now, as a result, there was an increased anticipation of a bull run, especially as Ripple prepares to pay the SEC, and that's a big deal. Ripple is out there and they are having no issues with this. They are going to pay this fine. Now, on the flip side of that, hey, we don't know if the SEC is going to appeal or not, but Stuart Alderati has come out and boy, did he settle a lot of nerves by pointing out it does not matter if the SEC appeals. What stands right now and is the law of the land is XRP in and of itself is not a security, and that's the way it is going to stay, guys, right there, right out of Stuart Alderati's mouth. Now, development has led to notable changes in XRP's price action, signaling a shift in the cryptocurrency's performance. Ripple's XRP has shown impressive performance over the past 24 hours, where it rose 8% to 61 cents price level. Now, this surge aligns with the formation of a golden cross on the daily price chart, which is what we had reported just yesterday. The overall recovery in the cryptocurrency market is expected to persist, with XRP positioned as a leading beneficiary, guys. A strong rally is expected soon if a close above the 66-cent price level happens. The daily outlook shows XRP closing bullish and likely to gain more momentum, driven by its performance against Bitcoin. For 11, get this, consecutive weeks, XRP has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum and the overall market by dominance. The recent reversal from a key level, coupled with XRP and Ethereum being at its lowest, guys, since 2017, suggests it might be a good time to buy. Now, listen to this here. XRP poised for a massive breakout. XRP is set for a significant breakout from a multi-year symmetrical triangle pattern, possibly reaching a new all-time high in the coming months. The recent SEC case closure is a major boost for Ripple and the cryptocurrency market. The positive development is expected to help XRP break out of this long-standing pattern, potentially leading to a strong rally in quarter 3 or quarter 4 of 2024. And guys, we have heard many technical analysis guys come out and review this chart right here, and you can just look and see where we are and where we were back there in 2017. And they say history doesn't repeat, but boy does it rhyme. And you got all these technical analysis guys, and are they ever singing the same song? You would think they were in the church choir. I'm telling you guys, it could be something. At least that's how I'm seeing it. Now, XRP has been leading the market recently, showing a new trend that many traders may struggle to adapt to. Unlike previous patterns where Bitcoin and XRP moved together, the latter has created a higher low, while Bitcoin made a lower low, indicating a significant shift. This divergence often signals a reversal in trends. As a result, XRP might hit new highs, with projections suggesting a possible price of $2 by early 2025. And guys, that is just a start, because we have heard from these TA guys that they say, hey, yep, these prices are in there as we climb up that ladder. And I believe it's going to shoot off and totally leave people absolutely gobsmacked. Now, XRP's monthly money flow was showing positive signs at press time, with higher highs compared to the XRP USD chart. This indicates increased investment and growing interest. As more money flows into XRP, it is likely to drive the price higher, suggesting a potential upward trend for the cryptocurrency. Guys, we are getting a lot of information coming out right now talking about a big time price surge right on the horizon. And when you're seeing this kind of research right here, talking about the volatility and how in past times it has actually resulted in a major price surge. And on top of that, all of this research showing that institutions worldwide are out there utilizing it. Come on, guys, connect the dots. At least that's what I'm doing. And that's where I say get out there and really research it for yourself. But for Judy and I, have we ever made that decision? And we have got our ticket. We are buckled up and we're ready to ride this thing all the way past the moon and straight through Jupiter. So, guys, one thing that I can tell you is one of the best decisions that Judy and I made during that last bull run was to get our plan in place before it absolutely took off. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.